In section 8.7, we'll be studying how to convert units of area. And the first part is to convert one American unit of area to another. And then the second part, we convert from one metric unit of area to another. So here are the American units. And you're probably familiar with most of them, if not all of them. So 1 square yard squared, is equal to 9 square feet. Feet squared, probably a very common area that you're familiar with. Because whether you're renting an apartment or buying a house, one question always comes up, how many square feet does this place have? And then 1 square foot is equal to 144 square inches, or inches squared, written this way. And a square mile is equal to 640 acres, and 1 acre is equal to 43,560 feet squared, or square feet rather. So those are the basic units of area in the American system. So 1 square yard, as we know here, is equal to 9 square feet. In exercise 2, we are asked to how many square yards, 5 square yards, how many square feet that is. Well, if 1 square yard is 9 square feet, then 5 square yards is 5 times 9, or 45 square feet. Let's write it down here. 5 square yards equals 5 times 1 square yard. And since 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet, the answer is 45 square feet. And then there's a guided solution where we're converting 20 square feet into square inches. So 20 square feet is 20 times 1 square foot, and 1 square foot has 144 square inches. And 20 times 144 square inches is equal to 2,880 square inches. In the next exercise, we are converting square inches into square feet. So 360 square inches is equal to 360 square inches times 1 square foot, and that has 144 square inches. So in other words, now we have 360 divided by 144, and then inches divided by inch squared divided by inches squared, and then 1 foot squared. And 360 divided by 144 is equal to 2.5. So the answer is 2.5 square feet. To convert square miles into acres, we write this as 5 square miles equals 5 times 1 square mile, 1 square mile. And since 1 square mile is equal to 640 acres, the answer is 3,200 acres. 3,200 acres. To convert within metric units, we can use the same chart we used before. However, since we are squaring things, we now multiply the number of places we move the decimal point by 2. Therefore, in the first example, or first exercise number 6, we are going from meter to millimeter. We move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places. 2 times 3 is 6. So in other words, this will now be 1 million square millimeter, moving the decimal point, which is implied to be here, 6 places. For number 7, 100 square millimeter equals how many square centimeters? So we're going from millimeters to centimeters, which is one place, times 2 would be 2 places. The decimal is here, and now it's moving 2 places to the left. That gives us 1 square centimeter. So for number 8, we're going from meters to centimeters. So from meters to centimeters, we are moving the decimal 2 places, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 2.88, moving the decimal 4 places would give us 28,800. 800 centimeters squared. 4 places. So imagine our zeros here. Move it 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 4.3 square millimeters is how many square centimeters? So we go from millimeters to centimeters, which is 1 place, times 2 is 2 places. So we have 4.3 square millimeter. And now we move the decimal to the left, 2 places, 1, 2. So it's 0.43. 0.043 square centimeters. And converting 678,000 square meters into kilometers, we're going from meters to kilometers, which is 1, 2, 3 places. So it's 678,000, for the decimal being here. So we're going from meters to kilometers, it's 3 places, times 2 is 6. So moving the decimal 6 places, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the decimal is here, so it's 0.678 kilometers squared. And again, as always, I would suggest you do additional exercises to get better at this, become more fluent at it. And there are many opportunities in the section, in the exercise following each section, but also in the study plan. You have plenty of opportunity to practice your skills there. So this is the end of section 8.7, and this is also the end of chapter 8.